Cook the books is an idiomatic expression that refers to the act of manipulating financial records, accounts, or data in a dishonest or fraudulent manner to present a distorted view of a company's financial health. This unethical practice involves altering financial figures, transactions, or statements to either inflate profits or hide losses, ultimately deceiving stakeholders, investors, regulators, or auditors. The imagery behind cook the books is vivid and metaphorical. Cooking implies altering or manipulating, while the books refers to financial records and accounts. When combined, the phrase paints a picture of tampering with financial data to create a misleading and potentially fraudulent narrative. This practice often involves various tactics, such as inflating revenue, hiding expenses, or engaging in fraudulent transactions. For instance, a company might record fake sales or manipulate accounting entries to make it appear as though the business is performing better than it actually is. These actions can lead to inaccurate financial statements, misrepresenting the company's financial position, and potentially attracting unwarranted investments or favorable loans. The consequences of cooking the books can be severe. It erodes trust in financial reporting, leading to distorted investment decisions and potential financial losses for stakeholders. When exposed, companies engaging in such practices can face legal action, regulatory fines, reputational damage, and even bankruptcy. The idiom cook the books is commonly associated with corporate fraud and white-collar crime. High-profile cases of companies such as Enron and WorldCom have shed light on the destructive impact of cooking the books on both the business world and broader economy. In a broader context, the phrase highlights the ethical dilemmas that arise when individuals prioritize short-term gains and superficial appearances over long-term sustainability and integrity. It serves as a reminder of the importance of transparent and accurate financial reporting in maintaining the credibility and stability of financial systems. As technology advances and financial practices become more complex, regulatory bodies and auditors play a crucial role in detecting and preventing such fraudulent activities. Efforts to establish robust internal controls and ethical business practices are essential in curbing the temptation to engage in unethical accounting practices. In conclusion, cook the books is an idiomatic expression that symbolizes the manipulation of financial records to present a misleading view of a company's financial status. This practice is unethical and can have far-reaching consequences, affecting stakeholders, investors, and the broader economy. The phrase underscores the importance of transparency, ethical behavior, and accurate financial reporting in maintaining trust and integrity within the business world.